Tengok ni guys, Auto Bavaria Kuala Lumpur akan merayakan dia punya anniversary ke-15 hujung minggu ni. So to celebrate the occasion, dia akan ada a big birthday bash. Korang boleh menang gold and weekly cash prizes. Plus of course, ada banyak model-model BMW and Mini with the best offers. My favourite yang ni, BMW X3 MPP Limited Edition. MPP stands for M Performance Parts. So kereta ni ada banyak accessories to make it look more exclusive. So dari depan sampai belakang, it gets full M Performance bumper attachments in high gloss black. And then dia ada rear spoiler, roof rail support and roof box. Semua pun genuine BMW parts. Model limited edition ni is specially made for Auto Bavaria KL punya 15th year anniversary. And it's available exclusively at Auto Bavaria ya. Dealer lain tak ada. Selain tu dia ada the i5 with the full M Performance Parts catalog. There's carbon fiber everywhere. But some cars don't even need any accessories macam BMW i4 ni with its sleek Grand Coupe design. Model EV ni nampak gaya, especially in this colour, boleh jalan jauh, tak ada masalah, and it gives you a full premium experience dari luar sampai ke dalam. For Mini pula, highlight model ini dia, Mini Paul Smith Edition. Yang ni pun hanya ada limited units di Malaysia and is made specially for fashionistas. So dekat belakang ni dia ada logo Paul Smith and even the Mini emblems ni lain sikit. Tengok dekat-dekat nampak biru. And then bumbung dia colour Nottingham Green and kat tepi ni ada Paul Smith punya signature stripe. Buka pintu dia tulis hello atas lantai dan dekat side sills pun ada Paul Smith punya slogan. And then kerusi dan steering wheel dia ada special patterns and logos. And even the screen dia pun ada Paul Smith design juga. Last kali ada satu lagi special model, Mini 1965 Victory Edition. Model ni is based on the latest JCW Electric, but is made to celebrate the original Mini Cooper S yang menang the Monte Carlo Rally tahun 1965. Dari luar sampai ke dalam, there's plenty of homage to the winning car, sekali dengan the racing number 52. All the cars here akan dapat special prices and promos untuk event hujung minggu ni. And if you book any car this weekend, ada chance menang gold bars ataupun cash prizes bernilai RM3,888. So ini dia guys, Auto Bavaria KL punya 15 years anniversary celebrations. Lots to see, lots to win. Datanglah sini this weekend. Ciao.